Hey everybody, good morning to you. This is Forex Empire once again. You're welcome to Forex Empire. I hope you're having a good trading experience. All right, so I want to quickly show you something today. This is a new $25,000 prop account that we just got yesterday and we started trading it, right? So stick. You have to stick to the end of this video for one reason. You're going to join a group actually. I'm going to drop the description to a Telegram group where you guys can join, and what we want to do on the group is we basically want to teach you how to trade for yourself, DIY, do it yourself, right? Yeah. So we want to teach you how to trade by yourself, right? All right. So I'll be showing you some of the trades and why I'm in them, right? Um, Look at Crash 500 for example. Let's quickly talk about this. Why did I sell Crash 500 from here? It's very simple. You get the point. So just follow me and you see how it goes. I was actually buying Crash 500 before. Then when you got to this point, I discovered that this was a rejection point, right? Now check this out. Check out this point, right? At this point, price sold back, right? At this point again, the same thing happened. There was a sell. Then it tried to go back up again. Then at this point, immediately I saw this first spike confirmation. What did I do? I took my sell entry and boom, this is where we are now. So that particular sale with a loss size of just 3.4, what do we have here? We have the profit of $103, right? This is right here, $103 profit. I mean, I don't think trading with 3.4 lot size on your real account, depending on your account size. Well, assuming you had an account size of about $500, of about $1,000 rather, a lot size of 3.4 for sell, not for buy actually, for sell, catching spikes, I think is quite okay at this point. Imagine that you did that this morning. Check out how much you would have had. You would have made $100 profit just like that, right? All right, so we have boom 500. Why did we sell boom 500? Okay, so boom 500 has been selling down from this point, right? I was on this trade yesterday. I took four entries. The first place where I got out was here, right? I got out from here. Why? Because I used this point as my TP. Like, okay, it's possible for a reversal at this point, but it didn't reverse. But I closed two of my trades at this point. Um, so what do we have again? So I left it since then. I was not available when this happened, but this is a sell signal for those that understand what I'm talking about. You find out that this is actually similar to this, what we have here, right? This candlestick pattern here, this candlestick pattern here, right, is similar to what we have up here, right? So this is just like a smaller confirmation that okay, this is going to sell. This was showing us the big sell, right? Now this is showing us okay, after a reversal, now there's going to be further sales, right? So I was not available at this point. So what did I do? I was here again. I saw this and I entered late though, but I actually took a trade and what we have here. So for you to know how to take all these trades, right? For you to know how to take all these trades, we will um okay, let me just show you VIX 100 before we call it a day, right? I actually sold VIX 100 from here down to this point, and now I'm buying again. And see where I set my TP, right? So why am I buying? Like you are going to learn all of these things. So how do you join this group I'm talking about? If you join this group, you learn how to trade, and you also get daily signals that help you make real money. You understand? So you also see our testimonies, you also see proof of our trades and all of that. How do you join this group? Right. So how do you take it? How do you trade and have $500, on your equity? Right. All right. So um, I mean, okay, Jump 75. I was actually buying Jump 75 before and it started selling. It started reversing, right? But I knew that, I mean, this is a confirmation. This is a buy confirmation. Can you see I place my stop loss around here? If price ever goes below this point, then that means a strong reversal has happened and whatever. but this is a very strong buy confirmation for those that really understand candlestick pattern. Now, this is purely candlestick pattern, right? So what we are going to do is make sure you join. You'll see a link to our Telegram group, right? Make sure you join. Click the link and join the group. From there, you get information as to how we are, like, you know how to, like, we are going to teach you how to take these trades. If you want to become a successful trader, blah blah blah, and all of that. You can see Boom 1000. We're already selling Boom 1000. Why did we sell Boom 1000? So this is the style we are going to be using, right? Everyone is going to have an account. You're going to create a what's it called, a demo account. Then I will give you a signal. You go trade the signal, right? When you trade the signal, you will run the trade, right? You run the trade, and let's see what happens when you run the trade. You understand? Then I'll now come back and tell you, after you've taken the trade. Then we'll now come back and analyze it together. This is why we took this trade. You understand? You get to know exactly why we took the trade. You understand? So I'm going to be selling Boom 300 very soon, right? But I'm waiting for the candlestick pattern to fully form. You understand? For you to know how to do all of this, right? All you need to do is very simple, right? Just join the group. You'll see a Telegram group, Forex Empire. Make sure you join the group and you get all this information. Thank you once again, and have a nice day ahead.